Someone sent me a quote recently that said, "Good design is obvious, great design is transparent." And today, using the Dell vStart 1000, I'll highlight some great designs, not hardware designs, but designs optimized around people and the way they work. The vStart 1000 is a pre-engineered solution that's built of Dell Force 10 networking, Dell PowerEdge servers, and Dell Compellent storage, as well as Dell management software that ships as an appliance integrated with vCenter to support a vSphere environment. It's a great foundation for a cloud. Now, I'd love to keep showing you beautiful pictures of nice hardware with shiny bezels. It's kind of cool. But what matters most from a design perspective for end users is the ability to deliver a management experience. And so today, we're going to talk about how Dell has integrated infrastructure management directly into VMware vCenter. Now, what you'll see are some seamlessly integrated capabilities, some of which you would expect, things like inventory, alerting, and status. But there's also some very unique capabilities, such as warranty status and removal, phone home support service, and firmware updates. In this case, what we're looking at is a vCenter administrator updating a server's firmware. Now, when a new server is added to your Dell vStart environment, it automatically shows up in vCenter ready for provisioning. What we're looking at here is an administrator choosing a deployment template to automate this process. What we found at Dell is we were able to reduce the steps for this process from 90 down to about 12. And as we transition here from a server context to a storage context, the same design principles hold true. We're seeing here how simple and fast it is to add a new data store into the environment directly from vCenter. As we're watching this, I want to point out something important. Dell's design philosophy isn't to turn every vCenter user into a hardware administrator. Our goal is to present the vCenter operator with only the infrastructure capabilities that he or she needs to go deliver results quickly and in a context that makes sense and in a behavior that makes sense for that context. Now, this kind of end-to-end efficiency you see is critical when it comes to supporting workloads like desktop virtualization. And one of the reference architectures that a vStart 1000 runs is an end-to-end deployment of VMware View. Now, virtual desktops present a unique performance challenge, especially from an I/O perspective. And in this architecture, we're able to leverage client-side caching from our Dell Weiss devices with Dell's fluid data architecture, which automatically tiers storage. Simply put, with this architecture, you can support more high-performance desktops for the same amount of storage capacity. As far as the client device itself, this is pretty exciting because it's using a brand new Dell Weiss P25 Zero client. This client is designed specifically for VMware View, and it's a PC over IP technology that delivers uncompromising graphical performance with support for things like multi-display. It's very cool. Of course, no matter how effective your infrastructure is, stuff happens, especially in a virtual desktop environment. And so this system is running Dell AppAssure to ensure data protection. In this quick example, we're going to delete a drive, and then using AppAssure's live recovery capability, you'll see we get near instant reuse of the server direct from the backup file. This significantly reduces recovery time objectives across physical, virtual, and cloud-based data stores. As I wrap up, I encourage you to visit Dell's booth in the expo and learn more about our great designs that are delivering great results for our customers right here and right now. Thank you.
Thanks, Drew. Wow. Right.